Welcome to Soterion, the leading provider of business-centric GRC solutions. In this video, we will showcase Soterion's capabilities of analyzing SuccessFactors. With the move from SAP HCM to SuccessFactors Employee Central and Employee Central Payroll, organizations need the ability to analyze access from these solutions and highlight any access risk violations. Soterion provides an out-the-box rule set for SuccessFactors, which allows companies to gain visibility on the access risks for the different systems. In addition to reporting on risk inherent to one system, Soterion also reports on cross-system risk between SuccessFactors, Employee Central, and Employee Central Payroll. Supporting business process flow illustrations foster better decision-making, enhancing business accountability of access risks. What-if simulations enable the organization to proactively manage their access risk by allowing business users to review and approve change requests prior to these changes being applied in SuccessFactors. Effectively manage your access risk in SuccessFactors by using Soterion's business-friendly functionality. For more information, contact us at info@soterion.com.